Hello, traders. Welcome. It is me, the sun. Happy April Fool's Day. You know, I just didn't have it in me to stress y'all out, to troll y'all, to cause emotional damage among you this year. So, yeah, again, I'm taking it easy on you. I've done a real number over the years, April Fool's Day, but just feel like let's just have a good time, man. All right? No deception. No need to hurt anyone. Okay. But it is sunny out there, okay. Welcome to the stream for real. So, you know, I woke up today and what I try to do, what I like doing, it's fun. It's just kind of like a thing. You don't have to do it, but I do it where, like, instead of like going immediately and looking at Bitcoin's price, I'll go into my Discord general chat and I'll just see I'll scroll over the past 20, 30 minutes, an hour, and just really see what people are saying, and then I'll try to guess what the price is. And based on what general chat was talking about today, no echo? God, man, it's such a troll. So let's caught it early. And I thought, like, oh, Bitcoin's at like 62K, 63K based on whatever. Nah, it wasn't even a big deal. We got as low today as 68,055. So up like $1,700, $1,800 from the lows. And let me just show you what's going on. Right, remember the old all-time high of the monthly? Remember how, like, we got our first candle close in human history above that level? So it was like a formal bullish breakout last month as of yesterday. And so the new month began. And so look what market participants are doing. They're just attempting to formally regard what was once resistance as support on the most significant time scale. That's all that's going on. And really, hold on, let's look at the 3-month. Oh, it's the same thing on the 3-month. How crazy is that, man? It is crazy. So, like, don't be scared. Bitcoin's just trying to April Fool's Day, y'all. And at the daily, looking at it, oh, remember that time? Ah, yes, yes. Resistance is support. 69,864. Really, really nice 4-hour bullish engulfing candle. It was painted at the close last hour of trading in the stock market. Wonderful. Good to see that. Baby bears. Baby bears. I mean, yo, pretty lame. I mean, that's pretty pathetic attempts from sellers, right? Like, that's just, I mean, maybe the sun goes out forever tomorrow, but today, that was kind of pretty telling. That was some nice bids that came in to recapture 69K going into close on Wall Street today. 69K is virtually everything. So above that is the sun's out. Below it, yeah. Oh my God, here we go. But we're good. Okay. Nice try, Veras. Let's go to now the altcoins though. Good. I mean, they got hit really hard and have not recovered near as well as Bitcoin has. Here's Ethereum. Remember, they're gonna do it, and it's gone. You were gonna bearishly engulf before this little rally on Bitcoin occurred. And it's still ugly. I mean, I don't just price is oscillating, really disrespecting the level. I mean, it's not correlating very well at all. Right, you know how many times we've seen like assets will break levels, they'll back test them, they'll hold them, perfect spring back test, and then they run. And then right here, just garbage at that undeniable level. So this is like, you know, again, why you're always looking for that framework that is taught here, that is in textbooks and studied research for 100 plus years. You're looking for it. But Ethereum just hasn't had any sort of framework. Otherwise, we've been talking about it. It's coin flip all day. Bunch of coin flips. It's been that way. It's been a coin flip situation. I mean, really, since the bullish bat on the 4 hour. That was the last time it like was amazing for an opportunity for like along with risk management and all with confirmation lows, everything you could dream of was down there. Like and then it just ran like insane amounts, almost like nonstop every day. And then a huge markdown, and now we're just in coin flip world. Cool. All right. I don't know anything like significant on the monthly. Was our backtest? No, nothing. Nothing really. Oh, okay. Nothing really. Okay. Let's go to BNB. Good to see y'all on the first of the month. BNB, man, it pretty much went up 621 and tested it and it's pulling back. And man, it'd be so cool to see a second test at 500. It'd be the dream. I don't know if you'll get it, but it's just another one like where scalpers dream just buying at supports. And you got lucky with an engulfing candle and it ran up 621 and looks like some of those scalpers are selling at a resistance. Makes sense. But coin flips. You are coin flipping on BNB right now. No discernible edge of any sort, and that's okay. It's going to be the way it is on almost every asset that you look at any given time. It's going to be a coin flip. It's going to be slot machines, casino. We're just looking for the ones where we can play some poker, get some pocket aces, go all in. Not really. Not really at all, actually. Okay. Well, my screen just went out. Hello? What the? We had a good Easter. The remainder of your Easter, we spent it together. I know. It was a good stream yesterday. Man, we had some really good history. Highest 3-month candle close in human history on Bitcoin. Highest monthly candle close on Bitcoin. And highest weekly candle close on Bitcoin ever, and the 5th highest daily candle close on Bitcoin yesterday. That's solid stuff. And multiple assets, I think BNB and Solana had their highest quarterly candle closes ever. Maybe, I think Ethereum too. So it was just a good freaking close, but this is kind of the type of price action that can very well occur on the new quarter, on the new month. New month, new price action. So the good news is it's not so bad so far. All right, BNB, and then Solana. Bearish engulfing candle will be confirmed in 17 minutes and 40-ish seconds. They just can't break 200, man. Is it Bobo double tap? You just don't know. It's tougher, right? You really want to see Bitcoin buyers come in and relieve this entire market, right? Because it's all about Bitcoin. See buyers defend 69K and let us run to much higher prices, and then all the altcoins will follow suit, whether they have an edge or not. XRP. Just flatline, dude. Just, hey, trading the same price as February 28th. Wow, congratulations. Still above 58 cents, still making a higher low. It's just all like, whatever, man. Typical XRP. Very good. Oh my God, man. What a freaking day. So much support, man. Oh, by the way, it is the first of the month, so it is the first best day to join the Patreon, where you get access to trade setups, education, and the premium Discord chat. But above all those, you are supporting a 100% crowdsourced stream, where I've never accepted a sponsorship, never shoved affiliate marketing links down your throat on scam exchanges that rug pull a year or two later after you start doing that, which that happens. And I've never monetized, so you've never watched an ad while watching me. So get on over there to patreon.com/MidTradeTH. Check it out. You can also join the premium Discord. But real big shout out to all these freaking people today. All the people that renewed, but the ones that joined today: SA, Chris, Jerry M, George B, Storm, freaking JB, freaking Lob Sauger, dude, thank all y'all for joining the Patreon today. But then also thank you, Stonk Honk, for the 2 months of support in the premium Discord / Patreon. I really appreciate that renewal. Like the first month to the second's always big deal. OzCan, thank you for the 6 months of continued support. Shake My Burrito, thank you for the 2 months. Big Cat, thank you for the 15 months. Sabe Man 99, thank you for the 2 months. And Certified Crypto, thank you for the 6 months of continued support. Really appreciate each and every one of you. The ones that, you know, the patrons that renewed, it doesn't announce that. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all are amazing, okay? Get that out of the way so we can continue on, man. So those are like the, you know, the big cryptos. And then really everything was down today outside of Lind and Hai. Lind today looking spectacular in a very well-established uptrend. Anything above 112 eventually will manifest into 170. 170, Matt. Up to 194, a 23% retrace, which is your shallowest retrace. What a joke. But that's the target area eventually. Like many altcoins, the 236 is your first target. And you just got to love how many assets, these cryptos, their 23% retraces are confluent with support resistances from history. So that's incredible. I think, yeah, a $194 to $200 Lind is not unreasonable at all. If what we have identified is correct, where the trend has reversed. Higher highs, higher lows consecutively. You just put in your highest low. You just put in a form of bullish back test of the swing low from March 2022, and you are just trading above it. And you're just waiting for the price to mark up to 170 to 194 up there. If they ever break that, well, that's when, yeah, I think probably later in the cycle, 260 all the way up to $300 on Lind eventually for common retraces. Not even a big deal. Hey, dude, speaking of hey, which hi means yes in Japanese, dude. I just started watching Tokyo Vice on Netflix. I highly recommend it. I'm only on like episode 2, so if you haven't watched it and you want something really, really good, I'm telling you, dude, it's nice. It's a good show. I'm just the sun here, okay? I'm just a bunch of helium, and you know, I'm a chain reaction of different elements. That's all I am, man. Just gas and all that stuff. I'm really hot, but good recommendation to watch. Okay, about the Yakuza. Shogun's crazy good too. Yeah, I know. I've been recommended that too, but I decided I was going to watch this one first and then Shogun. Anyway, so high up today, but you know, they're trying to regard some levels as support maybe, but yeah, I think you're just flipping coins. Great trend, but this asset could go down to 30 or 3.6 cents and still be in a bull trend. That's what's tough about it. But you know, I'm just looking at it because it's actually up today. Mostly, almost everything down, and some of these things down pretty bad. You know, remember old Reef Coin, still fine. You know, like this Reef could go down to 1.5 tenths of 1 penny and still be in an uptrend. It could lose 50% of its value and still be fine. Crazy. K and say, man, that's pretty wild price action. And I mean, you can't even make this up. How look, they back tested the old level of support and then rallied it, and what? Bearish back test of the key resistance as resistance and then rolling over again. So bearish and golden candle confirmed in less than 12 minutes, and could be headed back down to 70 cents for another test. But even still, as long as a higher low gets put in, then 57 cents, the trend remains up. We good, man. I don't know, man. What happened to Theta, man? Theta, it was doing it, and then it wasn't doing it. But it's still just elevated, still in a bull trend. And none of these levels, like, you know, 166 never been back tested. It could, as long as they keep above 240, you'll eventually see $4. You break $4, that's when the fireworks start going off. I mean, that's when it's a quick run to $6 all the way up to $8.44. Insane, man. Okay, like this could just be bullish consolidation after a huge impulse. It's wild, man. Right? High volume on the move up, and then low volume consolidation. Shoot, dude, someone's in control of this asset. And I just got a spoiler alert for you. It's not sellers. Sellers not in control on high volume. Sorry. Please someone let Man Bun know so he stops. I don't think anyone listens to him anymore. Like, legit, I think he's just so all cow. But there might be some naive people out there that are still like, dude, Man Bun's like, dude, you don't understand. Okay? You don't get it. Drinking my, well, you know, I would say coffee. But again, I'm just fusing. That's how I keep my energy up. Just fusion, man. Thousands and thousands of kelvins. Oh, I'm super hot. Dogecoin, but what about Doge? Who's going to take over the world? It is taking over the world. Any day above 17.87 cents is bullish day. Don't worry about it. Up and down, 34 cents eventually to 35. You'll get there eventually. The trend's up. The trend is not down. Consecutive higher highs, higher lows. Pullback, any pullback that concludes higher than 12.79 cents is the highest low, and then you'd probably run again. And then
you need to check out our town by Steve Knight if you can get it. He's the chap who wrote Peaky Blinders. It's still set in Birmingham.
Is that a joint?
It's like, you're talking about Birmingham. Yeah, Birmingham, okay, we took our time about Steve Knight, of course. Thank you, dude. Okay, so Doge, you know, it's down 6.2%. I can't even tell. 93 million miles away from the Doge chart for me, and I can't even see that it's down 6+%. Whatever, dude. I don't know. And then we just like look at some of these other ones. They're all down 6-7%. You name it, you got it. I mean, ApeCoin down 6%. Okay, I'll just wait for it to. Man, how dreamish would it be if they could just do this? If they could just do something like that. Oh my God. See, the thing is, you just want to get it proportionate. The valley's just not there. I want a third valley on Ape. I dream of it. Could get an early Christmas present. Maybe it happens this summer, where we get a 144 Ape, so we could see a classic accumulation structure after the M shape. The bullish butterfly, always purple because it's rather feminine, easy to remember. What the F? What? What is... No one should be WTFing. Chat's dead anyway. I don't even know why I look at chat anymore, dude. Okay, I'm just static video day. All right. Look at Dash down 5+%. They can't do it, man. Pretty sad. Less than before. Bearish engulfing candle at an inflection point. Not really what you want to see. I mean, though the trend is kind of reversing. And there could just, it could be lower prices outside of a Bitcoin miracle, where just Bitcoin, that engulfing right there is the bottom, and we're running, and we're going to go break 71+K. If that happens, you got a chance on Dash, but it's just not like, how could one swing trade this? How could one take a fresh long on Dash right now with an argument? You have no argument. It's really tough. That's not really what you're looking for. You need to see buyers recapture 39.62 to feel confident. Can't really feel that great after rejecting resistance as resistance again with the bearish engulfing. Okay, let's see if there's follow through. We will see. Filecoin that was trying and it couldn't do it. You're just in that situation where kind of literally impossible to manage risk for a long, and you're always looking to manage risk for longs and uptrends, which Filecoin certainly is in one, but they're saying the buyers are testing a level, key level inflection as resistance, virtually the third target of that old trade setup, and they're unable to break it for now. Again, you need a miracle on Bitcoin to get these altcoins back above these levels.
Can you please look at INJ?
Satan Slayer, thanks so much for the 20. Could have used you yesterday, man. Not really. Jesus doesn't need anyone. He's good. Solo mission. We will look at that. Yeah, sure. INJ. Dude, when I drink my coffee, it makes me look like I'm wigging out. Y'all see that? Look, right now. Ugh. Weird. Okay. Might as well just get it over with, man. Look at INJ now, unless that was... Yeah, that's the only request today. Ugh. Ugh. Gamma rays. Ugh. What the heck? Sorry, dude. I had a gamma ray burst of energy. You're wrecked. Thank you. INJ Connect down 7%. Yikes, man. Really ugly. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you're starting to run out of room to argue. Like, higher low still there. Yeah, barely. If you start falling below $33, there's no more higher low. And it's like that ran its course, and that was the 1618 up there, and they were unable to touch it. It was that close to the first target of the trade setup. So stupid. And now it's just bearish engulfing candle working on your lowest daily candle close since February 23rd. It's ugly. It's like, that's just price action you don't want to see. But again, like, with that being said, they have not made a lower low yet. Not quite yet. So you're still okay. Fine like a fruit fly, as we would say. That's right. Eclipse version. Okay, fine. Here's the eclipse. Oh my God, you can't see me, but the eclipse is here and it's gone. We're back. Sorry, it's a burst your bubble back below the midpoint of the Baba Booey. Thank you, dude. Sorry, the Baba Booey like really derailed me right there. Yeah, Engine Coin, Ingen Coin, Injective protocol, inverse injecting, okay, extracting protocol right now. Could be headed to $30. Yeah. Thought it was good. It's in Bitcoin.
Here's to my second April full stream. Thanks for the consistency.
Zimpal, thank you for the $10 contribution right there. Really, really appreciate that. And yeah, just... You know, all these years, try to do some sort of April Fool's shtick or gimmick. I mean, I did one on the Discord, right? You know, you saw that, and I got Brad. I actually got Brad and a few other people. It was kind of later in the day, but it's just, I don't know. Deception does not come easy to me, and that's literally what April Fool's is. Like, hey, man, you have one day where you can lie to people. Yeah, you can just straight up blatantly lie to them. I don't like that. It's just hard to do that. So I'm just gonna, I'm the sun today. Happy April Fool's Day, all right? I become the sun. Tomorrow I will not be me anymore as the sun. All right, good enough. Sorry, INJ, not looking hot. $30 could be in store. Wow. So Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is like...
You worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
You know? I mean, just a back test of the breakout from yesterday. 637, 648. You're right there, man. No problems. If they hold it successfully, 720 plus. Could be a long ride up, but let's just be real. It's been a long ride up. Kidding me, man? That's your update there, man. That's pretty good shape compared to some of these, like that are back testing these resistances as resistance again after an attempted rally. You know, we'll look at a couple more and then we'll switch it on over. Yikes, man. Like Cardano. Yeah, just a lower high, 68.8 cents. This level here from December, a couple times, December 2023 is being regarded as resistance again, and they're pushing it lower. Maybe we get a confirmation low at 56.8 cents. Maybe we get ourselves a dragon or something. This whole ABCD is still valid until they take out the C point, which is way lower. So this is still valid. But like, what are you identifying that makes it to where you have a greater than 50% chance of a particular outcome? I don't see anything at this current time that makes it better than a coin flip's chance of an outcome. And chat, there it is. There it is. Buyers have recaptured the old all-time high on Bitcoin from 2021 with an engulfing candle on the 4-hour. And I think that is grounds for your local needs. Sorry, my bad. I'm the sun, dude, okay? I'm part of the local on the 8s, of the Weather Channel. Without me, there is no Weather Channel. Gosh dang, dude, are you kidding me? Can we? No way. Drake, Mallard, and Jerry Massey, thanks to both of y'all for joining the annual Patreon this month. That is serious. Serious. They joined for the year. They took the black, is what we call it, because your name becomes black in the Discord when you join annually. And that is the single best way to support this community, by taking the black. So in Game of Thrones, it's like the worst thing. In our community, it's like the best thing. And you get a free month anyway. Like if you join annual Patreon, you're only paying for 11 months, not 12 months. So there's value there too. Really appreciate that. Okay, we did it, man. Buyers have successfully defended 69K today. Right here. Okay. Another day. It's like from March 25th to today, it's all been a dream. A dream, man. No movement, like at all.
Thoughts on YFI? The 30-week and the 100-week MA are crossing for the first time ever. Significant?
Zombie BPay. I think the 20 dude, you want to see some YFIE? We'll take a look. We'll take a gander. Why not, man? Okay, just finish up the logo on the 8th, Bitcoin on the daily. Go to Ethereum. Close below 35.20, which is that daily candle high close from 2022, May 2022, April 2022. Yeah, so they closed below it. At this point, though, based on how it's been correlating, it's not been correlating. It's been violated countless times. I'm not really holding much weight at 35.20 to 35.80. No. Price action's responding terribly to that level. So, again, flip your coin. Ethereum is currently in a coin flip situation. If you long Ethereum, you have a 50% chance of making money. If you long it, you have a 50% chance of losing money, right? Short term. That's where we are here. Okay. That's kind of your update. Might as well just knock out YFIE right now. It's still hanging in there. But see, it's just like any day of a 74.53, all you need to know. Like, if the price is above that, we're good. We're exceptional. Okay, because 74.53 is the biggest line in the sand that exists on YFI. The first swing low ever manufactured November 2020. So many times has it been regarded as support resistance. And just more recently in late February, that, you know, one could, if they wanted to be a YFI long, I mean, like, and they weren't in this, you're so far off from the inflection point where you can try to strategically set up a stop loss that one would need to be layering in incrementally in case it continued to fall in price, because that's the level. That's the, you're always looking for levels to construct an argument for a long to stop loss. So you're a little far off that, but I mean, it's the harmonic framework and it's the first high or low, which represents what? It's really the second. I mean, look, you had the lowest low, then you had two lows that are significantly higher than the first low. And then again, there's more than before. It's so subtle and it takes so much time that people would just forget about YFI and say, forget it, man. I'm moving to Dogecoin. I'm going to Joe Biden coin or whatever the crap is going on lottery coin flips for degens. They're going to forget about YFI. It's just like your time horizon. Do you have time to fall asleep owning YFI and going light speed and waiting until we eventually get to the Andromeda Galaxy? It takes time, man. We don't have the ability to wormhole yet. You can only go speed of the light, whatever. Okay. So YFI, it's got all the makings of a Velocity athlete, but it just might take 3 to 6 plus months for resolution. And that's it, man. Yeah, I'm no Beetlejuice, man. I know. Sorry. Yeah, no, it hit 95,000. Yeah, almost 100K. I remember that was March 2021. Tornadoes were wreaking havoc through Birmingham. Went and chased one. Tried to anyway, before it died, before I got there. Anyway, yeah, YFI, I don't know. It's all there. The stage is set. It's just, it could take far longer than you could stay solvent. That's it. Zombie Pay. Talking about MAs, crossing. I don't know, man. Like, whatever. It's like anything else is just adding to the narrative. Like, trying to hold above the 50-day. It's well above the 200. What about, it's probably below the 20. Yeah, below the 20. It's whatever, moving averages. Cool. Sure thing. What about the Gaussian, dude? The Gaussian. Hold. Hey, man, that's pretty nice. Price action. What the? Sorry. Kaspersky. Which I'm not even really using a better one now. Yeah, holding above it. Anytime the guppy, they call it, the Gaussian channel is positive and the price action's above the inner band, you're okay for now, even though it may not really matter. So I'm saying, like, it's like you can look at all these other oscillators, but it doesn't really help increase your probability of a particular outcome. Most of the time, no. Most of the time it's redundant, or it was already a good narrative, a good argument for upside or downside, and then you just have some more variables that line up with it. Okay. Gosh dang, dude. What's happening? Oh my goodness, man. Did that really just... Oh, hey, DD, I have my books in Hotbox. Thank you, DD, for the 4 months of continued support. I have my books. Thank you for the 5 months of continued support in Hotbox. Thank you for just joining for the first month, the Patreon. Really, really appreciate that, y'all. Hype in the chat. Thank y'all. Holy crap. Yeah, so that's your request there. We could just real quick take a look here. The S&P 500, of course, another day confined within the perimeters of this insane structure tomorrow, I guess, number go up because these are just bots. The bots have complete control, and this is what they're doing. It's wild. I can't wait to see what kind of resolution we get. It's going to be just we're going to collapse, or we're going to be partying like it's 1929 soon on the spider. Wow. There's marching it. And we could extend this thing out too. Shoot, man. The party could continue. You never know when they're going to, conclude the party, but imagine like the S&P 500 trading at like 540 late April. God. All right. It was very, very close to an all-time high. It was the second highest price in human history today on the S&P at the highs. Okay. All right. Dow Jones Industrial Average bearish and golden candle confirmed. Just up there, man. Like complacency. There's just, you're elevated. There's not much of an edge. It could just continue meandering on up because money printer go burr. They've sedated volatility in this market for now, even though the VIX was up today, 6+%, at least when I was looking at it when the market was open. Yeah, whatever. Bearish and golden candle. Lowest daily candle close confirmed since March 26. Holy crap, dudes. All right. Let's look at gold. Sorry, not gold. We'll look at gold. Oh, of course. Of course they did it, man. Just sitting there. NASDAQ composite up 0.11%. Just Paul Wallen since March 8th, really. Same price, near all-time highs. Floating and trading above all-time highs, barely. Very, very similar to Bitcoin. Okay, the old all-time high, the previous cycle high, right? Whatever. November 2021, like Bitcoin. Market participants are trading above that level, just like, but barely, just like Bitcoin. Okay. That's it. Cool story, bro. And the Russell 2000 ETF, the IWM, bearish and golden candle below 209. They cannot breach it. All right, just continue. Like, are you wedging right now? It looks like you're wedging, doesn't it? It's the wedge. You're just wedging, I guess. Hard to be like, oh, I can't wait to go long after testing resistance and kind of a bearish pattern, but yeah, if they keep the thing going, man, it's all about 213. You break 213, it's kind of the promised land for 230, 234, and that's really like, wow, not even that big a deal. Again, you're not looking to trade the IWM or even really own it because you know how much fat is involved with these 2000 stocks. Remember, over 1/3 of them do not make money. Every quarter, they just lose money. So forget the IWM, man. It's a joke. Okay. Yeah, now we'll look at gold. That holy crap. Gold yesterday, all-time highs. Oh my God, we got to do Jesus chimes because formally the 1414 fib extension has been achieved. The daily candle closed about 3 hours ago. So that what you're looking at. History, man. They're doing it on gold. Peter Schiff and company rejoice. And probably you're in price discovery at this current time on gold. Silver, meh. It's up, but it's, again, the performance is miserable. So yeah, eventually 26 will be tested. They break it, then you're going to nearly $30. You just don't know how long it'll take, but everything's fine. Set up for higher prices, but it's just like XRP. XRP looks like it's kind of set up for higher prices too eventually, but we just know historically the performance will be garbage compared to many other assets. So why own an asset that you know inherently underperforms? Might as well just go with the fastest horse. Okay. We're just going across the markets, man. Orange juice futures making a comeback. Figured, hey, man, like whatever, massive bullish or nice bullish engulfing candle today. I wonder if they're going to keep it up. It looked like the party was over with the big drawdown, the rally, the attempted rally in the lower highs. So you just can't count out something so stupid. I remember without an edge, just you're coin flipping. You might just be coin flipping on orange juice right now. That's cool though. What a day. Coffee futures. Man, oh, this is a big deal. This is not a joke, chat. I'm not kidding. If you're a commodity trader, you really got to pay attention to coffee futures. This is some very powerful stuff going on. Look what they've done, man. The buyers completed a harmonic, a shark of sorts. They recaptured an unbelievably real inflection point from history. Okay. And once they broke it, they pretty much back tested it. And now you're seeing a higher low here more than before. Coffee futures broke a supply line that goes all the way back. That first anchor point, February 2022, second anchor point, August 2022. That is to me, on the new month, new quarter, it looks like coffee futures might be headed to 219, 222. Hello, pay attention. Coffee futures doing things. Let's go, dude. Cotton futures, it's doing all right. They're going for the backup, right? This could be Wyckoff accumulation.
0.535333191 fill.
Hammy, thank you so much for the test dono. The Filecoin and the jar. Thank you, dude. Yeah, so I think if we do have Wyckoff accumulation on cotton futures, this is the backup. Okay. The backup can still fall below the top of the trading range too. As long as a higher low than previous low gets put in, eventually it looks like copper could be running all the way back up to 116 eventually. But this is some pretty good stuff, right? The lowest low, selling climax, and all these lows higher than this low. Yeah, things are turning around on cotton futures. A bottoming base got put in. Not all. Many other commodities are not like that. So this is pretty good. Cotton and coffee looking good in the neighborhood, man. What about U.S. oil? U.S. oil, hype in the freaking chat. Highest daily candle close since October 27th, 2023. It all started with the M shape. Well, it all ended with the W
Big
shape.
time high time frame seems intact with possible double bottom forming on daily. Thoughts? PS. Figured how to tip via stream elements.
Let's go,
Okay,
Mendel.
Zeichen.
I'm in the chat for Mendel, figuring it out. He figured it out. We can look at big time. It's been sad times. It's been little time for a while. Max Payne times on big time. But yeah, they're attempting to. They're trying to hold it. I don't know. I mean, it legit. Big time is this.
Can devs do something? Every day I'm checking the price and it's dipping. Every day I check the price, bad price. I can't take this anymore. I have overinvested by a lot.
That's big time, okay? But oil, it's another world. Okay, so $88 to $100 plus targets. And if you didn't notice, it was the oil stock show today. It was brilliant. Gold miners too. CDE up almost 11%. My God, what have they done? Look at this. Not over for CDE. Once they break, if they break 437, dude, bye-bye. This could be just Wyckoff accumulation down here, like the craziest version of it, right? They sprung, they back tested the spring, and now they're just accelerating. So you break this one last 437, it could be 743 faster, and you can say, yo, MC Raps, or whatever. What? Triple M, I think they split or something. They screwed up my chart completely, but I just changed it back to the way it was. It's incredible. You can't even make up what a completed bullish crab pattern with a Momo shift, the low, the lowest low, the higher low, and the higher low happened to be a formal back test of a key historical inflection point. No way. And man, that thing really went. It was, they They didn't take it out. It was the highest daily candle close on Triple M since July 26, 2023. Incredible. But things are turning around. It's freaking good. Micron, wow, godlike, heading on up to the 1.618, 129.63. That's an all-time high up there, Larry. From this high to low, 1618. Going berserk. But dude, if you're sad about missing that, we gotta look at, again, where is it? Where is it? I'll just type it in if I can't find it. Let's just do it. If you like Micron, you're gonna love Hewlett Packard. Okay, so this thing right here, bullish engulfing candle today, a formal bullish breakout of an inflection point that takes you back to 2018. The upside on this is stupid, okay? If you want to be some sort of tech, high-flying tech bro, HPE doing things, $20 target, and then who knows? A Micron, pull a Micron. But yeah, earnings and 52 days, you got plenty of time before the bull crap. Trading above the 200-day moving average, look back, testing the 200-day moving average of support. Or if you liked Valero, remember Valero, the trade setup that's on its way, all-time highs today, about to hit the third target. If you like that, this is in the world of Valero type of trade. Yeah. Hewlett Packard Connect. Let's go, dude. All right, you've been warned. That's all I can do. Let's watch the stream, dude. Oh, he's talking about Hewlett Packard. All right, forget it, dude. But then, you know, semiconductors, Marvel was up. Marvel headed back up to $76, $78. Did they break that? $94. Look, they confirmed a bottom here. Man, it's like this was the trade setup entry. I think there was a third target around $94 in for head and shoulders. Now it's a double bottom. Now they're running it. Man, it's like all the bullish structures just are reliable and are performing well. Let's see how this one performs, because all it's like this is, okay, there, and then there. They've confirmed it, Larry. Let's see what happens. It's like, you know, the trend's your friend. Everything that's bullish and keeps developing that's bullish keeps playing out and performing well. So, oh, this time it's different. This time it's not going to play out well. Oh, we'll see, right? Don't be man bun. Google all freaking time highs, man. It was the dream. They finally did it. I know they broke it and then just, you know, dumped on earnings, but look, this is real. I mean, price discovery on Google, one of your largest companies in the world, and all started with a 3 rising valleys. That was a trade setup, right? So the chapter concluded with the completed setup, and now the book continues, the bullish book. Incredible. Why am I music, man? It's over? I've been live, man, for this long. Time does fly when you are the sun. I've been around longer than everyone on Earth. In fact, I've been around longer than Earth has even existed. So, yeah, it was like a flash and a joke. Okay. It is beautiful. But then we must look and continue. It's the dragon. The Occidental Petroleum Corporation dream, the reaccumulation dream. You were at the bottom. Risk management levels were there. They were available if one wanted to. You were warned. We've been monitoring it. It's a bullish dragon, and it's playing out like the Jesus. Highest daily candle close confirmed since October 2023. Head to 67.60. It's been a target. And the next target after that will be the 73s. It's very nice. Break that, 87 plus. Wow, man. Occidental. Waking up. We just got to do it. I just got to like, all right, I got to look at them. Look at Hess. Yeah, Hess is back in this channel. Been going on forever, man, right? Like they bottomed out October 2020. It's only been number go up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, over and over and over again. And guess what? Highest lows being put in. Yeah, higher low. 95% retrace from the previous lows. And now back above the 200, back inside the channel. Probably, I mean, a 177 all the way up to a $200 target on Hess Corporation. Integrated oil. not segregated oil. Don't get wrecked. Don't be buying segregated oil. Schlumberger. It was the dragon. The dragon tail grows above the 200, above 54.36. Is 54.36 a big deal? It certainly is. Look, 2006, 2011, 2010. Big inflection point there. The trend is your friend on Schlumberger. ConocoPhillips, let's freaking go. Highest daily candle close confirmed since November of 2022. So 52-week highs. Breakout, in my opinion, I think that was the big level. 138 will be like, you know, that's a way off. That's the next target. So reaccumulation, sell walls breached, 52-week highs, over 52-week highs. Very nice. Marathon Petroleum is unstoppable. It is a dream. Marathon Petroleum is greater than Bitcoin. Same with Progressive Insurance. It's wild. And then BP, British Petroleum, holy crap. It was the dragon at an inflection point. So risk management was available. An edge, right? Identifiable research structures at key levels. That's what you're looking for. If you want an edge, if you want a greater than 50% chance of a particular outcome, you have to learn how to identify these structures at key levels. So you can have a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And it looks good to me, man, for more upside. But then it was Valero, all-time highs, 177 plus is the third target of the trade setup. The entry was around 127, just off that formal bullish back test of the 2018 old all-time high. That's the dream, man. Wow. Can't even make it up. It's just awesome. AMD finally catching some bids. I feel very good about this one for all-time highs. There's hidden bullish divergence maturing on both oscillators. I think AMD, like the trend's your friend, the way tech's been going. Don't bet against Lisa Su. Dude, just don't do it. She's related to Jensen Huang. Do not bet against Lisa Su. She always wins. She always wins. The bullish patterns, the bullish developments always play out. The highest low in human history on AMD is being put in. They're attempting to pivot the highest low. Sellers failing to fill gaps. It's good, man. Okay? For now. We got 29 days to the next earnings report, so you're fine.
$19.99 from Rob. I tipped for INTC a while back when it was $27 and you helped lots, but it looks like a breakout soon again. Targets above $45.
Same. Anything above 42 is solid, man. It really is. Bullish divergence in the freaking daily. What? Yeah, man. If you're above $42 to $43, you can easily manage your risk with a stop loss below it. That's it. Upside 54.84, which was the old 2000, the year 2000 all-time high. And then $57 to $58 after that. So it is like a dragon pattern, pretty much. Is the dragon. They haven't broken the spine yet, okay? Kind of like that. And then, you know, the feet, I can see 1 foot. And then I can see a second foot. So, yeah. The dream would be they recaptured and then they reconfirmed it. That would be the dream if you could get that. Because then you'd be at the optimum entry with the lowest risk. So up here, it could be a little marginally better by like $1.50 plus, but still, yeah, anything above 43 is an incredible day for Intel. So yes, The target, a gap fill, $49.60 to $50, Rob. $54.84, $58, okay? The trend is your friend. Do not ignore the trend. Do not ignore bullish patterns and bullish trends. All happening at key levels. There you go, Rob. Thank you. Check out International Paper. Why not? How's it doing after the pump? Just bullishly back testing this level. It is a very real level. It's a swing low from 2013, 2016, 18. It's been resistance 2020. And it was kind of resistance. It's flipping to support, the highest low of the new trend getting put in. Eventually $45. So rejoice. More upside eventually on iPay. Haliburton, the Kang, man. Let's freaking go. Highest daily candle close on Hal since November 3rd of last year. Highest close, highest price of 2024. I'm telling you, man. They ever break $42. Easy 55, 56 up there. Easy, man. Reaccumulation, sell wall, ascending triangle. It is a dream. It's been a dream. The dragon trader. What do you do for a living? Well, I just trade dragons on Hal. I'm a Haliburton dragon trader. That's what you would tell that girl you're on a date with. Whoa, that sounds so cool. Yeah, it's no big deal. It's just a bunch of dragons. You know, we just go along on dragon suit. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Jonathan, you doing okay? Did you have a good Easter?
I like turtles.
Sorry, chat. Bearish golden candle confirmed on total market cap below the key inflection point. That's not a joke. It's sad. We had a chance and we ruined it. Get wrecked. I hope there's no fall through, because if there is, well, you know, target below it. 2.3 trillion down there. Up, down, up, down. That's it. Yep.
I like turtles.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Been live now for 1 hour and 3 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, the bell, at sub. Thanks for being here. Thanks so much. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dow Jones, thank you for the 6 months of continued support. Renewing just moments ago. Cat No Banana, thank you for joining for the first month ever. Really, really appreciate that. Rich Ling 99, thank you so much for the second month of support. That's a big deal, man. I really appreciate that. Y'all are amazing. The first of the month, it is the first best day of the month to join the Patreon, again, where you get access to the trade setups, the education, and the premium Discord chat. So it's like more access to me, I guess. And those are great. Like, there's value, of course. But again, number one reason is supporting a crowdsourced community, 100% crowdsourced, okay? That ensures that my integrity is secure. And 99% plus of all other content creators, they do accept sponsorships and promote those those. Cool. They do that, man. They subject you to ads, and affiliate marketing links are shoved down your throat. They do all that. I don't do that. So that's why I have to advocate for the Patreon at the first of the month, because it's the best day to join. Whatever. Get over it. How's Facebook doing? It's up there, man. Out of the all-time highs, just floating in outer space. Cool story, bro. Microsoft floating near all-time highs, nearing the 1618 up there. All right, it's a dream. It's crazy. Number go up. Apple. Apple's bad, man. Apple's been bad. Classic distribution, another lower high, bearishly back testing, key resistance has resistance again, and looking like you're getting ready to dump. 156 target, $156 on Apple eventually. You're sitting below the 200 moving average, and it's starting to downslope. Apple just doesn't look good anymore. They've confirmed a top, and after they confirmed a top, then you started seeing Warren Buffett and whoever offloading mega positions locally. Bearish price action. You don't want to own things that look like that. Sorry. 156. But it's Apple. Okay. It could be Apple and go 156 and everything's still fine. Like whatever. Think about like an 88% retrace from this low to high up there. Go to 137, 138 because they never really formally back tested it. And then look for some opportunity down there. You get value. Dang, dude. Did that just happen? Yeah, one snuck through Brad. Elvis? Holy crap, it's freaking Elvis. Elvis A, thanks so much for joining the Patreon, man. Really appreciate that about 10 minutes ago. My bad. Wow, amazing, dude. I've been drinking coffee, man. Yeah, DOJ going after Apple. Yeah, let's destroy America, dude. Let's do it. I don't know. We kind of gone across the markets. You've been kind of updated on what's happening. You want to look at the DXY real quick? We can do that. Okay, highest daily candle close on the DXY. Since November, highest daily candle close on the DXY of 2024. The trend is reversing, right? Spring back test of spring. Now a formal higher low and pretty much another back test. Things are turning around for the DXY. Momentum is shifted back into the hands of the buyers by the looks of it. 107, 108 target, if this is real, what's happening? One low, the second low, the third low, amen. Little hidden bullish divergence on this last valley. Yeah, man, it actually starting to look good again. It's like an alternate bat pattern, 886. It's solid, which I don't know if that's really good for risk on assets, but yeah, it's been doing things. Here comes the DXY indeed. Richling, thank you so much for the 2 months, man. If I can't even remember if I gave you recognition or not. Richling, thank you so much, dude. Really appreciate that. Did I do that, chat? I don't know. Do I owe him a Jesus Chimes or not? I don't know. Thank you. Yeah, so Bitcoin on the new day, just going back to test 69K again. They love it. It's a freaking magnet, but it's a magnet for reasons. Remember, unfortunately, with it being cool that they recaptured it, the 4-hour bearish Gartley is still valid, still active. The verdict is still out on this harmonic. Still above the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. Okay, but triple tap, triple bobos, perfect 786, but no real performance yet. Either way, there's no indication that it has failed yet, nor has it succeeded. If it was to perform adequately, you would see 62.4, 61K. But that hasn't happened yet because the buyers are just continuously trying to defend 69K. So we'll see. The TA. Wow. Well, I didn't see that.
/USD, thanks.
That was the worst timing in human history. How in the world does that happen? I'm leaving stream and he tips as I'm hitting the thanks for watching button. God. Wow. Coincidence? Well, Cobalt Circuits of Value. The United States dollar. Just try to figure out the levels here. I've never been here my entire life. Trying to see the zone here. The candle closed the wick high. Beginning. Then correlation, correlation, correlation. Oh, correlation to the level. But now you got this tricky other level. Break that. Oh, I hate it, man. It's like, well, I don't know which one, man. Is it this one? Yeah. So it would be cool if they could back test the level. But they've done, like, they defended it, and then they're testing 2.5 cents as support, and then a really nice impulse candle, and they're just holding it up. Yesterday was the highest daily candle close since March 9th. If they break that, you have a 5.4 to 5.5 cent target. Looks like a lot of others. Okay, what do you mean by a lot of others?
NYSE, please.
Okay, we'll look at it, dude. Thank you. We will look. What does it look like in a lot of others? Where it bottomed out forever, and then a huge move, and then a huge pullback, and it was the highest low. Okay, that confirmed an uptrend, really. And so, yeah, it could be going to test 5.5 again. You break that, then it's be a run to 7.8 cents. We'll forget about it by then. Yeah, but I think like it's all turned around. Okay, the trend has reversed on circuits of value, like almost all assets on the crypto market. Okay. That's it. Okay, I didn't even know it cut out, man. Get wrecked, total looking like crap right here, looking real bad. Yikes. Yeti, oh my God, you want to pay for an overpriced cooler? Let's do it, man. Yeti Holdings, yeah, they're trying to defend a level as support. Sure. Certables, there it is, right? The level of levels. It's the zone. 36.60, 38 bucks. I mean, maybe they hold it. I don't know. Like why have they tested it so many? That's what's sad. It's like, what are they doing? Like, why can't they get their crap together, man? So you got your levels established. If they can defend with your divergence, yeah. Dang, man, like triple bullish divergence on the MACD histogram, not much help on the RSI. Yeah, you'd be like, it's the dragon, potentially, because this thing could collapse. You know, 38 days till earnings. You got a supply line there. You got a creek right there, right? It's the creek. Thank you so much, Peepo. Guitar playing Peepo. Thank you, dude. Get wrecked, Bitcoin. You were a never has been, a never will be. Get freaking wrecked, everyone. But on Yeti, one can manage their risk appropriately if they were so inclined. If they wanted to trade that divergence at a key level. Yeah. Because if you're breaking 36.65, I just don't know if you want to own the asset. Because the downside could be terrible. I mean, it could be massive. It could be like $28 target. Gap fill anyway. Gap fill at 30 bucks. So it's a big if, man. Like we don't really know if it's, you know, we never act like we know. But if you're just like, okay, I'm going to take a chance, man. Take a chance on me. I mean, it's kind of got to be like that, right? Maybe you could be like, right there. Is that? Nope. You'd have to tighten that stop a little bit, a lot bit, and you could get away with a $48 target right this high. Because that is real. Yeah, you could try to play Yeti like that, but again, it's Yeti. I don't marginally better coolers, dude. Don't ever put it in the dishwasher. It's GG no re. GG no re. If you do that.
Dumb.
Stupid.
Keep up the great work, man.
What's up, ADD Driven? Thank you so much for the attention deficit disorder connect, and thank you so much, Saved by the Bell people, for thank you. You read my mind. There it is, just diverging continuously at a support. If it fails, you take on minimal losses. If it succeeds, you win. That's it. Simple. Simple is as simple does. Right, G-Dog? You can have a little bit looser stop too below these lows. Yeah, you can try. Or you can wait a couple days, feel it out. But this is certainly at a level that is interesting, intriguing, and potentially actionable. Okay. Just don't know. Does that make sense, chat? At all? Anyone? Bueller? Okay. It's Yeti.
You got me.
Thank you, Heisenberg. Get wrecked, dude. Go cook some more meth, dude. Kumar, I cannot. I cannot. Thank you. All right, that was it. ADD Driven, thank you. Kumar, thanks for the $2 super chat. Okay, so y'all kept the stream alive. Y'all did that. Bitcoin market participants, we'll see if they can continue to hold the line. Nope. Why, boss? Scam. Do not buy that scam.
Done. Do what you want. Pull the plug.
Thank you. Do not buy whatever the scam was that whatever that dude just tipped. He wants to use you as exit liquidity. He wants you to pump his loser scam coin so he can dump his position on your head. This is why I never take sponsorships from anyone. Never push affiliate marketing links, because they're all scams in the end and they'll all rug pull in the end. Okay? Don't do it. Don't listen to scammers. Will we rise? Yeah, we could. Just hold 69K and everything will work out. Thanks for coming out. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA.
Keep up the great work, man.
instructions.